Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how we could add videos to your Android application. So let's consider that you are making an Android application in which you want to embed some videos. So let's say you are making an educational application, and if you want to post some tutorials on your application, then it is necessary that you must learn how to embed videos or how to add videos to your Android application. So the first thing you need to do for this tutorial is that you need to start a new Android Studio project. So we select the new Android Studio project and let's name this project as video app. Then click next and make sure that you select the API level 15 or above. Then click next and we are going to select a blank activity. Click finish. And as you could see, this is the basic layout for our application and we want to play a video right over here. So the first thing which you need to do is that you need to delete this hello world. But before deleting the hello world, as you could see that this screen right here has padding. That is, the hello world is not directly placed in the corner, and that is because some padding has been added to the XML code. So the first thing which we need to do is that we need to remove the padding, and the reason for removing the padding is that we want to make our video player to span the entire screen. So in order to remove the padding, you switch to this text right here, and as you could see, this is the code for padding. So we delete this and it is going to remove the padding. So now if you switch to the design view, you could see that the hello world is now placed right in the corner. So once the padding has been removed, the next thing which we do is that we delete this hello world and we are going to add a video here. But the thing is that we cannot directly add a video to our activity. The first thing which we need to do to add a video is that we need to add a video view to our activity. So if you have a look right here, this right here is an image view, and image view was used in order to display an image, but in this case, as we want to display a video, we'll be searching for something like a video view. So if we scroll down here, as you could see, this is the video view right here. So we simply drag it and drop it on our screen. So as you could see, the video view spans the entire screen. Now the next thing which we need to do is that we need to give this video view an ID. So we simply select the video view either from here or from here. Then we go to properties and we change this ID to, let's say, my video view. So once we have given this ID, the next thing which we need to do is that we need to make this video view play some video. So in order to make this video view functional, we switch to this main activity.java, and the first thing which we do is that we clean up the code. So we delete the toolbar and we come down here and we also delete these methods as we won't be needing them. The first thing which you need to do is that you need to have a reference to your video view. So in order to get a reference, we type final. Then as we want a reference to the video view, we type video view. Then we name this video view something. So let's say we name it as my video view. Then we type this equals, and to typecast it we type video view. Then in order to get a reference, we type find view by ID and r.id dot the name of our video view, which is my video view. So we have the reference to the video view. Now the next thing which we need to do is that we need to set some video, or we need to specify some link to a video which the video view is going to play. So in order to do that, we use the video view object which we have just created, which is nothing but my video view. Then in order to set the path, we use the method which is called as set video path. So we type dot set video path, and within these we specify the video path which we want to play. So for the sake of this tutorial, I have copied a video path in there, which is this. So I'm simply going to copy the path, and you could use any path as you want, and you copy the path and you paste it right here. So this is the path which I am using. You could use the same, but the thing is that you'll need to type in. So the best way for you would be to just search on Google for a proper path and then you mention the path inside here. Now once the path is specified, the next thing which we need to do is that we need to make the video start. So this video right here is added, but it is not going to start on its own. So in order to make it start, we again type the same object name, which is my video view. Then we use the method which is called as start. So we type dot start. So this method right here is used in order to start our video. So once this is done, we are done with the Java code. But one more thing which we need to take care of, as we are going to specify this video path which is on the internet, we need to make our application access internet, and that is because whenever we have an application, we need to use permissions in order to give it access to various things. So for example, in this case, we want to make the app access internet, so we must assign the application the permission to use the internet. So in order to assign permissions, you just switch to this manifest and go into this Android manifest, and we are going to specify a permission here. So in order to specify permission for any Android application, you simply go above this application or the application tag. So we go right here and then we specify users permission, and it is going to ask us the name of the permission which you are going to use. So in this case we want internet, so we type android.permission.internet, and then finally we close the tag. So once this is done, we are done with assigning a permission to app. So now the next thing which we do is that we need to run our application, but the thing is that this application won't run on the emulator, so you need to run it on your device. Now in order to run your application on the device, there are two ways. The first way is that you go to build and you simply click this build APK, and that is going to build a APK file for you which you could transfer to your computer via Bluetooth or via a USB cable. So as you could see, the notification just popped up, APK is generated successfully. So we click this option show in folder, and as you could see, here are our APK files, and the first file is the file which we are going to need. So you could simply send this file via Bluetooth, or you could send this file via a USB to your phone, and then you could install the application and run. Now this is one way, and one more way by which you could run these applications is by directly connecting your device to the computer. So if you have a USB cable, you simply connect the USB cable from your phone to your device. So you simply connect the USB cable from your PC, laptop to your device, which is an Android phone, or it may be a tablet. And once you are done connecting your phone, the next thing which you do is that you simply click this run button. And when we click this button right here, it is going to show you the device which we are using. So in this case, I am using this particular device. So once your device is selected, you could simply click OK, and your application should start running on your device. So when I click OK, my application just started running on my device, and in order to record the screen of my device, I simply click this button and click start recording. So as you could see, I could see a blank screen right now, and let's see if the video plays. So as you could see, the video started playing and it's a bit laggy, and I'm able to hear the sound. So that's how you embed a video in your Android application. So I hope you guys understood what we have done in this tutorial. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.